Hi guys, today we're going to be playing Monkey Mischief with my friend, Squiggly. And we're going to have a race from Carnival to Canyons. But if you get tagged, you have to pause for 5 seconds. That sounds easy? Okay, let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Oh. Oh god, he's catching up. Oh no.
No.
I forgot what canyons was. Oh no. Oh flip.
Stop the cap.
Oh yes,
No, you better get it.
yes.
You
I'm gonna make it. Okay, so we're gonna switch the roles now. So I'm gonna be it.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's basically reverse. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. We're just going to go back to Carnival. See you in a minute. Hi guys, we're back, and I'm gonna be it this time, and you're gonna try and get to Canyons before me. Okay, 3, go. 3, 2, 1. Oh frick.
No.
Wait, how did I not tag you?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not.
Also, did I mention it's it's like best of 3. So that's how we're gonna do it. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's go. So far I'm winning, but it looks like he's gonna win. He's going ahead. Oh no! Wait, wait, oh no!
I did it!
No, oh, alright. GG's, okay. Okay, let's do the next round. Okay. I'll be back in a minute, guys. We're just gonna go back to Carnival.
Wait, just do the thing without me and I'll just come in.
Okay. Hi guys, we're back, and we switched it up a little bit, so we're going to have 3 rounds, and whoever wins 2 of them wins. So I've won 1, he's won 1. This final round is up who wins. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Oh, frick. He's so close. Oh!
Looking back
No!
will help you.
2, 3, 4, 5. Come here. No! Wait, I tagged you. I tried to.
Bad
Come
luck.
here. Got him. Alright, well remember 5 seconds.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go! I think I'm gonna win! I think I could win! Boom! Okay. I made it to Canyons. Alright, this was a fun game. Just a little messing about in a Monkey Mischief. Hope you have a good day. Subscribe if you want to, and stay safe.